In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a file in Google Docs. If you've ever created a document quickly and left it with a generic name, don't worry. Renaming a file in Google Docs is very simple, and it only takes a few seconds. Giving your document a clear name makes it much easier to find later, especially if you have a lot of files saved in Google Drive. It also helps keep your work organized, whether you're managing personal notes, school assignments, or business documents. To begin, go to the Google Doc that you want to rename. Open the document as you normally would, so that it appears on your screen in the Google Docs editor. Make sure you're inside the correct file before making any changes, since the new name will apply to the document you currently have open. Once the document is open, look to the top left corner of the page. Near the Google Docs logo, you'll see the current name of the file. This is the title of your document, and it's the area you'll use to make the change. Click directly on that name. When you do, the title will become editable, allowing you to update it right there without opening any extra menus. Now type in the updated name you want to use for the file. As you enter the new title, Google Docs will automatically save the change for you. That means you don't need to press a separate save button, and you don't need to worry about losing the update. The new name will be applied right away and will also appear in Google Drive, making the file easier to recognize the next time you search for it. When choosing a new file name, it's a good idea to make it specific and meaningful. For example, instead of using a vague title, use something that clearly describes the content of the document. This can save you time later and help avoid confusion if you're sharing files with others. And that's all there is to it. To rename a file in Google Docs, simply open your document, click the file name in the top left corner, and type the new name. The update happens automatically, so the process is quick and seamless. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Google Docs a little more organized.